So I see the alert at the top of the screen. You see that. That's because we have a weather impact alert actually for tomorrow, when we believe that there will be more of a widespread risk of stronger thunderstorms. But right now I'm tracking some intense downpours. There's no lightning on these, but with a little bit of embedded rotation right now. So you can see this big wide area where there's a lot of heavy rainfall. But within this area, which stretches from Gwinnett County through Monroe, Covington, down into Henry County, there's a few little areas we're watching these little appendages at the bottom of these little cells with a little bit of broad rotation. Nothing on radar right now looks very tight in terms of the rotation like we had earlier. And we know we had that tornado touchdown in Henry County, but it's something we're watching very closely because these things can spin up and go through life cycles very quickly. Heavy rain right now stretches from eastern DeKalb County through Rockdale and Newton counties along I-20. It is a very slow commute on the east suburbs of Atlanta, and that heavier rain is lifting north, so up into Loganville, up into Snellville, up into Lawrenceville, up into Decula. That's where that heavy rain is headed. Also eventually up towards Winder and the I-85 corridor not far from Brazelton. So heavy rain lifting to the northeast. You can see, though, a big difference in northwest Georgia. It was a really soggy start to your day there, but finally the back edge of that heavy rain is moving in. So this is one round of rain, but tomorrow ahead of a cold front, we have yet another round. And that one's going to be more of a distinct, smaller window of opportunity for some strong and severe thunderstorms. The main threats on those storms will be damaging winds. The time frame of that between 10 and 4 for our weather impact alert. We'll get some heavy rain, that risk of damaging winds. Just like today, very low end chance of a brief spin up tornado, and also a low end risk that we could see some hail. But the risk will be greatest the later in the afternoon that we go as these storms get into some of our eastern counties. So level 1 risk over Atlanta, level 2 risk from Athens over to Henry County, over into Butts County, and out towards Thomaston as well. Forecast track this evening. Steady rainfall going to be tapering off just in time for sunset. Tonight, some of the cloud cover builds back in along with some areas of fog. Tomorrow starts dry for your commute, but by 10 o'clock in the morning, here comes our next round of showers and storms. The further south and east they get, the more organized they should look. So a little bit stronger as they get into Atlanta than as they're in Dalton, and then even more so by 2:30 as they're cutting through Peachtree City, Covington, and Athens. Some stronger thunderstorms possible. And by 4, 5, 6 o'clock, these things are racing into central Georgia and eventually southern Georgia. But it's in the afternoon. I know we're out of school. We've got summer break. People are at the pools, out on the lakes. I want you to stay weather aware. Have your indoor backup place ready to go as those storms move in. Tracking storm chances tomorrow. There is a reward coming afterwards. Over the weekend, some drier air moves in. Just 69 in Atlanta, 68 in Covington right now. Athens is 71. As we look at your forecast for the next couple of days, we're going to be watching the chance of some stronger thunderstorms tomorrow. You can see that in red, our weather impact alert. The most likely time frame for Atlanta between about 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll get past that into the weekend. Just a chance on Sunday of a few showers and storms north of the city.